What's up, guys? West Coast Picks here. Today I reached in the bucket of locks from the Lock Picking Lebowski and I picked out Kwik, Set Me Free. This is one of the locks of the trilogy of terror. This one is Kwik, Set Me Free. The other two are Yale for Help and the New Slage, or the New Age, New Slage. And I'm going to put this thing in a vise and see what the Lock Picking Lebowski was able to put in this thing. Make sure that the cylinder moves around. I'm going to use top of the keyway tension and just this kind of medium-ish hook here. And we're going to go on top of the keyway. Make sure I'm in frame. Yep. And start at the back of the lock. Oh, a little bit of a false set out of 5. Oh, a little bit out of 3. 1. Oh, pretty good false set there. Four. Oh, 3 actually. And I've lost my false set. See if I can get it back out of 5 or 1. Yep, got it back out of 5, apparently. Oh, even deeper false set out of 3, maybe. Nothing. I'm beginning to think I might be in a overset trap. Oh, I need that. Get back here. Get over here. Alright. Two is like on the ground. It does not want to go anywhere. Nope. A little click out of 4, it felt like. I think I might need something a little deeper, maybe, because I am not getting any love out of this lock. Let's try. Let's try this puppy. Use deeper. There's something counter in the back here at 5, which I thought I'd already set, but I guess he's up higher. Oh, there we go. Nothing. Back again. This pick is really deep. It's hard to get all the way in there. Oh, and we're open on 5. All right. That was a little bit of a fight. I went through a couple picks. Let's see what's in there. First, I'm going to unmummy the key because I've been taken to unmummying the keys these days. Let me find a knife. We got. Ha! There's a good bidding. Nice. 2 high cuts in the back. Something written on here. Oh, it's just a URL. Just repurposed some old paper there, which is fine. And I'm going to chance it, guys, and I'm going to see just how smooth this key works. I'm going to lock it up. And it does work. Only turns one direction though. But it does work. So let's gut this thing. See what the Lock Picking Lebowski put in here. These are not fun to gut when they got clips and stuff on them, and when it's still one piece like this. Normally, I always cut my Euros, but because this is someone else's challenge lock, I will put it back together just like this, and the next guy will have to deal with it. Jeez. Go, there's one. Let's get the thumb turn out of there. Oh man, this is gonna be a bitch to put back together. Alright. A bearing came out of somewhere, who knows where. Pay attention to all that after. Let's just get this thing apart. Yeah, this is the type of clip and type of setup where you actually need this type of clip remover. It'd be hard to get them out any other way. So there's 2 clips. So I pull the core out just a bit so I can get this tail piece out. Alright. Let's get a long follower here. I don't have that long of a shim, so we're gonna have to hope it does. And it does. Nice. Alright guys, I get to use my brand new pinning board. This is actually the same night that I received it. I haven't used it yet. This will be the first time using it. Just finished uploading the video where I opened it and the Lock Picking Lebowski's package. So we do have all 5 pins in and working. We have threading in every chamber. Let's see what's in here. Trying to be very gentle on this wood here. Not going to be bashing my core up against it. Not yet, anyway. And we got some nice pins. Nice pin work so far. And yes, threading in every chamber. That's where it's supposed to go. Nice. I like this thing. It's beautiful. Alright, I don't even know where this spring came from. I'm not sure how if I'm gonna put it back together with a thumb turner or not. Lock Picking Lebowski, just let me know if you're cool that I only put it back together with the plug in it. Oh, they're actually on the board. Durr. Alright. So one is a standard. Let's get these springs out too. Don't know if he changes his springs up, but I guess we'll find out. Nicely serrated pin. That almost looks factory. It very well may be. We have a different spring here. Nice. Another. Oh, this is a spool. Well, it looks like a factory spool. It looks like a lab security spool. Different spring. This is a T-pin. Also looks like a factory pin. these look like factory pins, except for key pin number 2. Looks like a stock or a custom pin. This is also a stock spool. Not stock for the lock probably, but is a factory spool. And a different spring again. Nice. I don't see anything done to the Bible, but I'll have to check because those are threaded caps. So let me get... Nope, all standard. All right, so this is what the Lock Picking Lebowski put in this lock. Very, very awesome pinning board. Get the first showcase of the pinning board in here, guys. This is, keys reflecting a little too much there. I'll put it off to the side. This is what Lock Picking Lebowski put in Kwik Set Me Free. We have a tapered T-pin in 1. We have a very cool serrated pin in 2. That looks homemade. This one almost looks like factory, but it could very well be homemade as well. Very nice pin. And then we have 2 more tapered, T-style tapered pins. And up in the Bible, we have a standard, very nice serrated pin, which these all look factory to me, so I'm not too sure if he, well, he obviously didn't make this one. This is a spool. That's a T-pin, and that is another spool. So if he made that serration, that's just awesome, because it looks like it was made by a machine. I know he made this one, because that's not a machine-made pin. This one might be a machine-made pin, also very good spacing. Could be handmade though. And these tapered pins look handmade. And we have different springs as well. Every spring is a different spring. We have a steel, a copper, a brass, a steel, and a brass. So that is what the Lock Picking Lebowski put in Kwik Set Me Free. So I'm just going to put this thing back together without the thumb turn for now, and then I'll leave everything in a bag. And if he wants me to get this back together with the thumb turn, I'll have to figure it out. Alright guys, sorry the focus is abysmal on this camera sometimes. Thank you Lock Picking Lebowski for sending me this lock and sending it out to the community. Thanks everyone for watching, and later guys. Alright guys, just a quick addendum. I did put it all back together. It wasn't too hard to figure out, so probably good to know these things. I just never put one back together. Usually when I get these, I cut them in half and you get 2 locks. Like I said before, this is the first one I've ever had with the thumb turn, so pretty cool. Anyway, thanks again Lock Picking Lebowski for sending this awesome lock. And I will put it in the out box, and it will go to somebody else. Later, guys.